Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Jasmine's dress on Dress to Impress. I did use some Roblox item and some VIP items as well. Before we do start the video, I'm just going to tell you guys that I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So for the hair, I used this hair in all black, positioned the Y 0.53, rotate the X 2.31. Then I used this hair in toggle only bangs, positioned the Y 0.49, scaled it to 0.53. Then I also used this toggle in only bangs, no adjustments made, I think. Then I used this headband in the color 71A799. Just scaled it to 0.4, I guess. Then I also selected this headpiece, which is right over here. Same color, and then gold, and then dark blue. Positioned the Y 0.61, Z 0.45, and rotated the X to 0.81, and scaled it to 0.42. Now for the outfit, I used this in only top without the choker, in that same color in silk. And then I used this in only train in this blue color in glitter. And like a lighter blue on the bottom. Then I also used this in only skirt in that same color in all glitter. Like that. And then I am going to get these sleeves here. This one in that same color in silk. And then glitter in that blue color. And then I'm also going to get this necklace in a lighter gold, these earrings in that same color, and then this bracelet too. Oh, and the shoes, but in like a darker gold color. Like that. And then I'm going to get this skirt here in a support pattern in that green blue color in silk. And then I'm just going to add a few like little extra additions that you don't need to, but you can. Just going to add this in only chains and color it a gold color like this. And then I also added this one, toggle only pearls. I'm just going to go in between gold and blue. I think I did all blue except for the last color I used gold. And that is pretty much it. You can add like more stuff. Wait, let me see if this dress makes a difference. Not really, like can't even see that clearly. But well, you can add that on if you'd like to. That is it. That is how you can create Princess Jasmine's dress. This is the dress version, by the way, not the one she has on usually, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.